the personal drone's gold standard, DJI's Mavic Pro, has been reduced to only $769. That's the lowest price we've seen, surpassing last year's Black Friday sale of $815. The MSRP for Mavic Pro is $999, which makes this agreement have a discount of 23%. When launched in 2016, TVG gave Mavic Pro a score of 9.5, saying it has all the range, battery life and advanced features of the larger drones, while being small enough to fit in your pocket of the jacket. It's more powerful than last year's Spark, also on sale at Amazon for $339, less than the $399 already discounted, and more portable than DJI's flagship quadcopter series, Phantom. The latest edition, Phantom 4 Pro, sells for $1,499. DJI announced a new drone Mavic earlier this year, the Mavic Air, which can explain this price drop. The Mavic Air is priced at $799, which makes the Mavic Pro now $30 less than the new model. The comparison of the specifications produces very little difference between the two models. The Air has a slightly better camera and the Pro has a slightly longer flight time. If you have been considering buying a drone, but the price has puzzled you, this is the best business we have seen and one of the best personal drones in the market.